In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to a valid date in Google Sheets. Whether you're dealing with imported data or simply cleaning up poorly formatted dates, this quick tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring your data is readable and ready for analysis. To begin, you'll first need to open Google Sheets. If you haven't already, open your browser and navigate to Google Sheets. You can start with an existing sheet or create a new one for this exercise. Once your sheet is open, go ahead and locate the cell containing the text that you want to convert. For this tutorial, we'll assume that our target text is in cell A2. It's easy, just click on the cell to select it. Now you're ready to input a formula that will handle the conversion. Click on an empty cell where you'd like the validated date to appear. In the formula bar, you're going to type equals to date. Open parenthesis, then type date value. Open another parenthesis, followed by the cell identifier A2, and then you'll close the parentheses twice. This formula effectively converts the text into a date format by first translating the text into a numeric value that represents a date, and then properly formatting it. Now go ahead and press the Enter key on your keyboard. After you hit Enter, you'll immediately notice the text has now transformed into an actual date. This is a huge step in cleaning up your data for further analysis. Google Sheets does this by interpreting the text you've specified and converting it into a serial number that represents a date, which it then formats neatly in your chosen date format. But what if you have a whole column of dates to convert? That's where using the autofill feature becomes immensely helpful. Simply click on the cell with your newly formatted date. You'll see a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, often referred to as the fill handle. Click on this small square and drag it down to cover the range of cells you want to populate with converted dates. Google Sheets will intelligently replicate your formula down the column, thus extending the conversion process to each corresponding text cell, auto-magically updating the references as it goes. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully converted unformatted text into valid, usable dates in your Google Sheets. This process not only ensures consistency within your data, but it also paves the way for more accurate sorting, filtering, and analysis in your spreadsheets. Keep this handy tip in mind next time you're working with incoming data that includes date formatting issues. It's a real time saver. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips to streamline your data management tasks.